What's up, guys? I'm back again with another episode of A Survivor's Life. And I'm sorry that I didn't post in some time. I was just busy, and I did play a little bit. So I've moved the house to this house that I started a long time ago. I found some potatoes from a zombie, luckily. From the first zombie I actually killed. And I made myself an ender portal. And this is on 1.5 right now, so there's quartz. I got myself this enchanting table here, the bed. We've got just more building blocks, nothing in here, nothing here, just tools here. We've got the nether stuff and nether quartz, which is pretty epic. We've got the ores here, and just random material. And I've got myself a brewing stand. So, I'll just show you what's like my nether place. And here we've got some sugar cane, and right there we have cows and 2 baby chickens right now. So, yep, sorry about the lag, it's just because I'm recording. Whoa. One sec. Yep. So this is my nether place. It's pretty cool in my opinion. Like, the place where you spawn isn't that good. But, oh dang it. I hate ghasts. They ruined my life like 50,000 times. One sec, I'll just try and put the sound here. Wow. And please, oh my, damn, crap. Well, now I have to just get back up and continue showing you the place. So, where the heck was I? Oh, right. Dang. Sorry about the lag again, it's just because I'm recording. So, yeah. Well, anyways. Then we've got this small place. Just continue walking right here. And we've got the awesome nether fortress. There it is with some blaze spawners. That's how I got myself the blink stand already. And it's pretty cool. I still haven't used nether quartz, but I'll probably be using it for the house because the nether quartz block is so awesome. It might be my favorite block. But I still didn't see how it looks in this texture pack. So, ah damn, ghasts. So many ghasts. It's so annoying. Anyway, so like in this episode, the objective will be to make ourselves a small wheat farm. And then I might do some other things. Then, whoa, crap. No. Wow. Come on. Ah, thank God. Because I really didn't feel like having to fight again. Oh, and my main food right now is just rotten flesh. And because I have cows, I just keep eating rotten flesh. Doesn't really matter if I get poisoned because I just drink milk. And I think it's a pretty good way because I just have too much rotten flesh. And I've got cows, which is another good thing. Yep, okay, so now I'll just have to get some wood and... Oh wait, never mind. I was going to make the cobblestone fence. Matter of fact, I actually think I want to do something else first. Dang. Wait, it's this chest. Yep. So, dang, I don't think this is enough. Well then, let me see how this block looks. No, it's a bit annoying. And I have an epic pick, and this sword is breaking already, but it's still pretty good. So, I guess I'll just have to make it from something other than the block, so yeah, I'll just be using cobblestone and wood for now. And then of course I'll change it because cobblestone looks like crap. But this texture pack makes it look okay. Also be needing some fences. That. Well, I think that's more than enough. Well then, better safe than sorry. Well, I'll be changing this one. I got more nether bricks because I want it to look more like a bridge and a good looking one. Well, dang it. Okay. So now that we're done with this, I'll just be clearing up some land. And I think I'll make it right there. And bone meal doesn't work on mushrooms, I think, since the 1.5 update, because it needs like 2 to 3 bone meal for wheat, and it doesn't work at all for mushrooms. Or at least it didn't when I tried. Okay, so I guess this is enough for now. I'll just make it a small farm. Alright then. Oh my god. Yep, well, I guess this is enough for now. I'll just go ahead and do this. Go in here. Oh my god, so much lag. Yep, cooked chicken already. Oh crap. Yeah, I saw the other lag again. So, first I'll just do something like this. Just to make a small infinite source, and then I'll just cover it up again. Oh, well. Okay, now I'll just cover this up. And oh crap, I forgot my seeds. Ah, damn it. Okay. Let's go get some more and I'll be done. this chest. I haven't got many, but still is something. Then, yeah. Okay then, I guess I'm just put it in. I'll just put one torch on each of the corners. Oh crap. Well then, this should do it, and that's it for now. So yeah guys, have a good time. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And see you all later. Hope I'll be making another video soon, and hope it'll be more interesting. Well then, bye.